Manus AI computer is insane. You are wasting hours on tasks that AI can finish in minutes, moving files, renaming folders, building things by hand. And while you grind through that work, AI tools keep getting more powerful every single week. The gap between people who know how to use these tools and people who don't, it is growing fast. Today, I want to show you something that genuinely surprised me. This might be the biggest upgrade to AI agents we have seen this year. Hey, I'm Hada, your AI educator, and today we are talking about Manus AI's brand new desktop app, a feature called My Computer. This just dropped on March 16th, 2026, and I have been watching people's reactions to it, and they are wild, because what Manus can now do on your actual computer is something that people said wasn't possible a year ago. I am going to break down exactly what it does, give you real examples of it in action, and tell you what this means for how you work every day. So stay with me, because the examples I am about to show you are going to change how you think about AI agents. So first, quick background if you haven't heard of Manus before. Manus is an autonomous AI agent. That's the key word. Autonomous. It doesn't just answer your questions. It actually takes action and completes full tasks on its own, step by step, without you having to hold its hand through every part of the process. Think of it less like a chatbot and more like an assistant who can actually do the work, not just talk about it. Manus officially launched in March 2025, and it got massive attention right away. VentureBeat called it a major advance in AI because it could handle complex tasks entirely on its own, including writing and deploying code, all without direct human input. Meta saw that and said, "We want this." They acquired Manus in December 2025 in a deal worth somewhere between $2 and $3 billion. Manus is still available to everyone through its own app and website. And they just dropped something that changes what the tool can actually do. Until last week, Manus only lived in the cloud. You would give it a task, it would work on a remote server and send you back the result. Useful, but limited. Your most important files are on your computer. Your projects, your documents, your installed tools, all sitting on your local machine. An AI in the cloud cannot touch any of that, so you constantly upload files, download results, work around the gap. It creates friction, and friction slows you down. That gap just closed. On March 16th, 2026, Manus launched a desktop application with a core feature called My Computer, available right now for both Mac and Windows. Once you install the app and connect your local folders, Manus can interact with your files, your applications, and your installed tools right there on your own machine. It works through your computer's terminal, the command line. Manus executes instructions directly in your terminal to read files, edit them, organize them, and launch apps. And here's the part I want you to really hear. Every single command requires your explicit approval before it runs. You choose allow once to review each action individually or always allow for trusted recurring tasks. You are in control. Manus is the executor. When I first started using tools like Manus, I was honestly overwhelmed. So many updates, so many features, and it was hard to know which workflows were actually worth using and which ones were just hype. That is when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom, with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Okay, let me give you real examples because this is where it gets genuinely interesting. Example 1. Imagine you have thousands of photos dumped into one folder, completely unsorted. Different clients, different projects, all mixed together. You tell Manus, organize my photos. Manus scans every file, identifies what is in each image, creates categorized subfolders, and sorts everything automatically. A job that would take you an entire afternoon gets done in minutes. Example 2. Renaming files. This sounds small, but if you have ever had to rename hundreds of invoices or documents to match a standard format, you know how painful that is. Manus handles it in one shot through a few terminal commands. Example 3. And this one genuinely blew my mind. One of the Manus team members challenged it to build a real-time meeting translation and subtitle app on a Mac. In Swift, from scratch, Manus handled the entire workflow, creating the project, writing the code, debugging it, packaging the final app. 20 minutes later, a fully working Mac application. No code written manually, no Xcode opened, just an instruction given to Manus and a working app delivered at the end. That is not hype. That is exactly what they documented and shared publicly. Here's something that I think is really underrated in this announcement. You probably have a computer that sits idle for hours. A desktop that is always on, a Mac Mini in the corner running 24/7 but barely doing anything. With Manus Desktop running on that machine, it becomes a round-the-clock AI assistant that works for you even when you are not there. You can send it a task from your phone while you are out, and Manus quietly completes it on your computer at home. And if you have a GPU in your machine, Manus can use that GPU locally to run AI models or train machine learning models directly on your hardware. That is idle compute that was sitting there doing nothing, now actually useful. Here is where it gets even more powerful. Manus already has integrations with Gmail, Google Calendar, and a range of third-party services. And now that it is also living on your local machine, you can combine both. Say you are away from your laptop and you urgently need a contract file from your home computer. You send a message to Manus. It remotely accesses your machine, locates the file, and emails it to your client through your Gmail, all without you touching your computer. Local file, cloud email, Manus bridges the two seamlessly. Simple to set up. Go to manus.im, download the Manus Desktop app, sign in, click My Computer, select the folders you want Manus to work with, and authorize them. Done. From there, My Computer works with your personal projects, agents, and scheduled tasks inside Manus, so you can build recurring local routines like tidying your downloads folder every morning or generating a weekly report from local data automatically. I want to zoom out for a second because I think what Manus is doing fits into something much bigger that is happening in AI right now. AI agents are moving off the web and directly into your operating system. Microsoft is deepening Copilot into Windows. Apple is extending on-device intelligence. Google is building agents into Gemini. And now Manus, backed by Meta, just brought a powerful autonomous agent onto your desktop. The people who learn how to use tools like this effectively, who build the right workflows and understand what these agents can actually do, are going to have a serious advantage in how productively they work. Manus just made a big jump. It went from a powerful cloud agent to something that actually lives on your machine, works with your files, uses your hardware, and connects to your cloud tools, all at once. And it is available right now at manus.im. The AI agent space is moving fast. This is one of the most practical updates I have seen this year, not because of hype, but because it removes real friction from real work. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates like this one and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. I'm Hada, and I'll see you in the next one.